guys, it's Maureen. I hope everyone is good. Hope everyone is being safe out there. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have an open microwave behind me. So that's what I'm doing today. I thought I should come and show you guys how a simple way of cleaning your microwave. Okay, it's very simple. I know a lot of people think cleaning a microwave it's a daunting activity, but it's really simple, really simple. So I'll be cleaning my microwave and cleaning my oven. Okay, my microwave is not really that dirty, but I'll show you a trick that encourages me to clean it. So what I do normally is I would wipe it right away after when I use it. If I warm something and maybe it's not covered and then it spills all over, I would wipe it immediately before it dries out. Okay, but I'm not the only one using my microwave. So whether the children or someone else is using it, or even I sometimes, maybe you're in a hurry and you can't clean right away and things just stuck there. Things just get stuck. Okay, so I'm going to show you a very easy way of how I clean my microwave. I'll also do the oven. Okay, so let's get right into it. As you can see here, I have a bowl filled with hot water. Okay, that is all you're going to need. So you take this bowl of hot water, you put it in the microwave and just let it steam. You put it in the microwave and just cook the water for, I don't know how your microwave works, so but I think if you put it to 4 or 5 minutes and just let it steam, let the water steam, and as it steams it will start to loosen all the dirt that is attached to your microwave. You see, that's the bowl, it's in the microwave, and that's the dirt there at the top. So I'm going to close the microwave and start cooking the water. I'll put it to 4 minutes and cook the water. Okay, look how steamy it is after 4 minutes of cooking the water. And do you see how even there where there's dirt, the steam is just... So this microwave is not very dirty, but when it's really dirty, if you just leave this steam for a few minutes and just let it do its work, and then when you're done, all you need to do is wipe. So you remove this. Be very careful not to burn yourself because this is very hot. And you just wipe away. It doesn't matter how dirty it is, guys. All you just need to do is to wipe the inside of your microwave and it's clean. And if the plate is dirty, then you can just wash it. But this one is not very dirty. So you see the door as well. So you just wipe that. Just wipe that. So it's all nice and clean now. You see, easy. You don't need any chemicals or any harsh. I don't even use soap when I clean my microwave. I just do it with water and it's sparkling, as good as new. The next thing that I'm going to do is clean my oven. Can I just say that I do not own an oven cleaner. I just do it naturally with water and vinegar. Yes, I said that. Vinegar, water and vinegar, that's all I need. So let's see how it looks. I can see myself there and you guys can see me that I'm squatting there, but there's no other way that you guys were going to see this oven because it's so down, it's so low. It's 4 so down, it's so low. So I'm going to open it and show you guys how it looks. So this is my door. It's not very dirty, but when you get to the inside, do you see all that oily stuff? It's so greasy. It's so greasy. So we are going to remove all this and make sure that this oven is spotless. Okay, so let's get to it. So there's my hot water that's about to go into the oven and just do its thing. Okay. So here we are, guys, with a steamy oven, except for the bottom. It's so steamy, even at the top there. So what I'm going to do is just with a cloth, you see, or you can use a sponge. But you do that. Oh, I have here a half mixture of water and vinegar. I didn't measure. I just put in, but make sure that it's almost half. So that's what I'm using to clean my cloth with, and at the same time that vinegar is also helping with removing the dirt from the surface of the stove. That I used in this cloth that I was using, extremely dirty from all that dirt in there. Phew, that was a bit of an exercise. Okay, I hope you guys see that cleaning is not such, it makes you sweat a bit because it needs you to exercise a bit, but it can be done. So this was easy, and I hope it encourages you guys to get down and get your hands dirty. So that's it from me today. If you guys are liking these videos, please subscribe to my channel and maybe comment on the things that you would like to see being done, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please keep on subscribing. Please keep the comments coming. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you can. Okay, thank you so much. This is Maureen, and you are in my home. See you on the next one.